It's not only a good looking machine, it's the engineering behind the machine keeps us running every day. My name is Prell. I'm the head of machining and part of the production management team here in Übach-Palenberg of the company NEUMAN ESSER. NEUMAN ESSER Group offers sustainable solutions in process gases, green gases and solid materials. We are a manufacturer of piston compressors, diaphragm compressors and milling and grinding plants. So, here in Übach-Palenberg, near to Aachen, we are manufacture and machining the main parts of the bear compressor, the bear piston compressor. Our daily job is to make special customers parts. So every compressor, every piston compressor is tailor-made. So every part is different for us, and so it's our doing. It's special for us. And so it's very difficult to machining different parts for tailor-made piston compressors. We need a tailor-made machine for us. Both have an understanding to our parts. We talk about the parts, we discussed about the parts, and so we talked about the machine concept. And so we have a very dynamic machine with a high stability. So we both know what problems we have, and so we solve the problem. And so we have a machine we can turning and milling in one section. And we can say, we can do our parts here on this machine completely ready and fixed. And so we go to the quality assurance and we have a good part. And we can do the assembly. We start in 2019 and we make the install in 2020. It was very good when we are here. We can start and we have, I think we have 3 months to install the machine completely and can start with the production. It was easy to us for start with the production because it's the same. We talk about the tools and parts before, so the service technicians from BOST know our tools and parts. So it was easy, and together BOST knows the machine and our workers know the parts. We put it together and we are very fast in implementate a new program to make a good part. We are very good, have a good status for the future. We have a machine, we can do all we have to do now, but we see, okay, maybe our parts will be bigger, so we have the function of the machine. So we can go bigger in the diameter, we can go higher, and so it's possible for us to see in the future with this machine.